Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Deepu. In today's video, I will be discussing on the topic secondary storage structure. Let's begin the topic. Introduction to secondary storage. Secondary storage refers to non-volatile storage that retains data even when powered off. It is essential for storing large amount of data that primarily storage cannot accommodate. Example include hard drives, SSDs, optical discs, and magnetic tapes. Characteristics of secondary storage. Secondary storage is slower than primary storage but offers large capacity. It is typically less expensive per gigabyte compared to primary storage options. Different types of secondary storage have varying access speed and durability, and the image shows those things all explained in this. Types of secondary storage. Common types include hard disk drives HDDs and solid state drives SSDs. Optical media such as CDs, DVDs and Blu-rays represent another from secondary storage. Magnetic tape is still used in archival storage due to its high capacity and low cost. HDDs, hard disk drives. HDDs use spinning disks coated with magnetic material to read and write data. They offer high capacity at a relatively low price point. However, HDDs are more susceptible to physical damage due to their mechanical parts. Solid state drives SSDs. SSDs use flash memory chips to store data, resulting in faster data access times. They are more durable than HDDs as they have no moving parts. The cost of SSDs are generally higher per gigabyte compared to HDDs. Hard disk drives. Optical storage. Optical storage involves the use of lasers to read and write data on disks. It is suitable for media distribution and data backup due to its portability. While slower than HDDs and SSDs, that is, hard disk drives and SSDs, optical storage is highly resistant to environmental conditions. Solid state disk. Magnetic tape storage. Magnetic tape is one of the oldest forms of secondary storage, often used for backups. It offers high capacity at low cost but has slower access times compared to other methods. Tape storage is particularly effective for long-term archiving. Storage format and file systems. Different storage formats and file systems affect data organization and retrieval. Common file systems for secondary storage includes NTFS, FAT32, and XFAT. The choice of file system can impact compatibility with various operating systems. Data management in secondary storage. Efficient data management techniques are essential for optimal performance. Techniques include data compression, deduplication, and RAID configuration. Proper management can extend the lifespan of secondary storage devices and improve access speeds. Future trends in secondary storage. Emerging technologies like NVMe and 3D NAND are revolutionizing storage performance. The trend towards cloud storage is changing how secondary storage is utilized and accessed. Innovations in secondary technology promises to enhance capacity and data security. Feel and thank you for watching till here. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.